Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Can you all hear me? If you can, show me a thumbs up. Okay, so I hope you all are doing well. And today we have only one period. Kindly take out your English worksheet. We are going to do future tense exercise today. And then our worksheet pack will be completed. Yes, take out the worksheet. Worksheet page number, let me tell you. 8, page number 8, the heading is written on the top of the page, the future tense. Show me, Hassan, which page you have taken out. No, not this one. Yes, yes, this one. Right, right, right. Mariam is not present today. Tabika, where is your worksheet? Oh, okay, Dua. Yes, this one. So you have all taken out the worksheet. Can I start now? No, Dua, not this one. Which worksheet? Show me. Future tense is written on the top of the worksheet. Page number 8, Aris. Yes, Dua. Yes, this one. Okay, let's start. Choose the correct verb and complete the sentences. It's a very easy exercise. We dash in grade 3 next year. Which verb will come here? Were ya will be? Zara, can you give it a try? Yes, Noor. What will come here? वर हम फ्यूचर टेंस की बात कर रहे हैं नूर. दिस इज अ फ्यूचर टेंस.
will be
वॉज वर तो पास्ट में आता है. फ्यूचर में तो विल आता है ना. वी विल बी इन ग्रेड 3 नेक्स्ट ईयर. नेक्स्ट ईयर आने वाले ईयर की बात हो रही है, पास्ट ईयर की बात नहीं. इट इज अ फ्यूचर टेंस. ओके, वी डैश आवर एग्जाम्स नेक्स्ट मंथ. Yes, Aris, can you give it a try? We dash our exams next month.
Will write.
Very nice. We will write our exams next month. Okay, then next, number 3. I dash early from tomorrow. Dua, can you tell me? Yes, Dua.
I will get up.
Very nice. I will get up early from tomorrow. Yes, Jafar?
Teacher, you can tell me again because my electricity is gone.
Do you know which worksheet we are doing right now?
No, teacher.
Dua, can you show him the worksheet? See, Dua is showing. Take out that worksheet. The future tense is written on the top of the page. Yes, this one, Jafar. We are on number 4.
Okay.
Yes, Hassan, do you want to tell me number 4?
Yes.
Yes, you dash home
Will go.
after school today.
Will go.
Yes,
Will go.
you will go home after school today. Very nice. Okay. Daniel. Daniel.
What?
I dash to school tomorrow. What will come here?
I can. Come.
I,
Come to school tomorrow.
Daniel, we are talking
will.
about future tense.
Teacher will.
Yes, I will come to school tomorrow. Okay, come on, next exercise. Exercise number B. Fill in the blanks with the future form of the verbs given in brackets. अब यहाँ पे हमें सिंपल फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब दी हुई है, हमें इस सेंटेंस को फ्यूचर टेंस बनाना है. मैंने आपको बताया था फ्यूचर टेंस बनाने के लिए हम 2 हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स यूज करते हैं, विल और गोइंग टू. इफ वी वांट तो हम गोइंग टू भी यूज कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज गोइंग टू के अलावा सिर्फ विल भी यूज कर सकते हैं. लेट मी टेल यू ब्लैंक नंबर 1. I dash you my photo album. Show is the given verb. The sentence will be I will show you my photo album. All right. Now Hassan Ahmed, tell me the blank number 2.
Teacher, Harry catches fish in the river.
Hassan, I am talking about a future tense. आपने हैरी कैचेस फिश इन द रिवर से ये, लेकिन ये प्रेजेंट हो जाएगा, प्रेजेंट सिंपल. हम फ्यूचर सिंपल की बात कर रहे हैं, तो यह क्या आएगा?
Catch.
कैच के साथ क्या आएगा? फ्यूचर में हम कौन सा हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगाते हैं?
ing.
नो, यू वर प्रेजेंट यस्टरडे हसन.
Yes, teacher.
हसन, यू वर प्रेजेंट ना. आई टोल्ड यू कि फ्यूचर में आपके कौन से हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज होता है? विल यूज होता है हसन. फ्यूचर में कौन सा हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज होता है? विल यूज होता है. हैरी विल कैच फिश इन द रिवर. यस जयान, टेल मी ब्लैंक नंबर 3.
I did my homework in the evening.
Zayan, what?
I did my homework in the evening.
Are you sure, Zayan, that we will use did over here? Are you sure? Because we are doing future tense. We are not doing past tense. Did तो past में आता है, future में तो नहीं आता. Future में तो सिर्फ एक ही helping verb होता है, जो कि होता है will, और उसके साथ आपका verb लग जाता है.
I will do my homework.
Exactly. इतना
In
easy
the
sentence
evening.
did कहाँ से आ गया? Where does it comes from? Tell me blank number 4, Zara.
Mr. James will climb Mount Everest.
Very nice, Zara. Now, blank number 5. Sabika, tell me blank number 5.
कर
Sabika, tell me blank number 5.
पूछ रही है नहीं आ रही
Sabika, tell me blank number 5.
बोलो मिस पेट
Okay. Seema dash vegetables in the market. Buy. Buy के साथ क्या लगेगा? फ्यूचर टेंस की बात हो रही है सभी का. फ्यूचर में एक ही हेल्पिंग वर्ब होता है ना. विल बी नहीं, विल बाय हो जाएगा. सीमा विल बाय वेजिटेबल्स इन द मार्केट. वेरी नाइस ट्राई. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज एवरीवन. कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. Yes, so this is a very interesting exercise. इसमें हमें क्या करना है? Draw a circle around the action verb in each sentence. On the line, tell whether the verb is past tense, present tense or future tense. अब हमें क्या करना है? आपके हर सेंटेंस में आपको कोई एक एक्शन वर्ब दिया हुआ है. आपने उस एक्शन वर्ब को सर्कल करना है और यू हैव टू टेल वेदर इट इज पास्ट, प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर. सही है. अब हमें ये करना है. अब मैं ये वन बाय वन सबसे पूछूंगी. I will start from Noor. Noor, tell me number 1. Number 1 में हम किसको सर्कल करेंगे? Daniel will choose a baseball bat.
will टीचर
Will choose को सर्कल करेंगे.
will
Will को नहीं, पूरा एक्शन वर्ब. Will choose, will हेल्पिंग वर्ब और choose आपका एक्शन वर्ब. तो will choose पूरा सर्कल होगा. पूरे will choose को सर्कल करो.
हो गया टीचर.
Now tell me which tense is this? कौन सा tense है ये?
फ्यूचर टेंस.
Future tense. Very nice. आगे blank में लिख दीजिए future tense. The spelling is already written in on the top of the page. Okay, now Hassan Ahmed. Hassan Ahmed, I ask yes. Blank number 2. He steps up to the plate. He steps up to the plate.
steps up.
Steps up. Okay, steps up को circle करो. Now, which tense is this? ये कौन सा tense है?
This is a present tense.
Very nice, Hassan. Very nice. लिख दीजिए आगे present tense. Very nice. Now, Kanza Misbah, it's your turn. The pitcher tossed the ball. Which action verb is going to be circle?
Miss, can you repeat it?
The pitcher tossed the ball. कौन सा action verb यहाँ पे circle होगा?
Pitcher toss.
Pitcher तो नाम हो गया. Tossed the ball. Action क्या हुआ है? Toss हुआ है. तो tossed will be circle. Tossed को circle करो. It's tossed. कौन सा tense है यहाँ पे use हो रहा है?
Past.
Very nice. Jafar. Yes, Jafar, it's your turn. Daniel will swing hard.
Teacher will.
Will swing पूरा circle होगा. Will अकेला नहीं होगा. Will is a helping verb. Basic action verb swing है. तो will swing पूरा circle होगा. Now tell me कौन सा tense यहाँ पे use हो रहा है? Very nice. Future tense. Write future tense in the blank. Kisa, it's your turn now.
Miss, which page I was leave? My network is not.
Oh my God, Kisa, you still don't know which page we are on. We are on the very next page. आपने जो last page पे exercise की है, उसके बिल्कुल बाद वाला page है.
Miss, this one?
No, Kisa, not this. Wait, yes, this one, Kisa, this one. Yes.
Yes, na miss.
Kisa, tell me blank number 5. The ball is struck the bat.
Stuck.
Yes, it struck will be circle. And which tense is this?
Is past tense.
Yes, very nice. Very nice. Daniel, it's your turn. Blank number 7.
Okay.
No, blank number 6. The ball flies through the air.
Flies.
Very nice. And which tense is this?
Past tense.
No, flies. Daniel, S आ रहा है end में.
Present tense.
Very nice, Daniel. Very nice. We have only 10 minutes left. We have to complete this before ending our class. Yes. Now, Hassan. Hassan, superhero. It's your turn now.
Yes, teacher.
Blank number 7.
7.
Yes.
Landed.
Yes, landed. Okay. And which tense is this?
Past.
Very nice. Now, it's your turn, Sabika. Sabika, blank number 8. Blank number 8.
Miss, future tense.
Yes, Daniel will run around the bases. कौन सा action word कौन सा circle होगा यहाँ पे?
Bases.
What?
Bases.
Will run. Number 8 में will run circle होगा. Now, blank number 9. Dua.
Yes.
Blank number 9. The crowd screams loudly.
The crowd screams loudly.
Yes. Which action verb should be circle over here?
Screams loudly.
Scream. Scream is going to be circle. And which tense is using over here?
Present.
Very nice. Write it down fast. We have only 7 minutes left. Blank number. Jafar, are you done? All right. Aris, it's your turn now. Blank number 10. Inaya, you are so late. Hello. Aris, blank number 10. He will slide into home plate.
Future tense.
Future tense, okay. But which action verb should be circled here?
Slide.
Will slide. Zara? Yes, Zara? Zara, can you hear me?
Yes.
Zara, I cannot hear you. Can you speak louder? Zara, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, blank number 11. Daniel's teammates cheered. कौन सा एक्शन वर्ब यहाँ पे सर्कल होगा?
क्या बोलिए?
Zara, look at me. Zara, look at me. Daniel's teammates cheered.
क्या बोलिए?
Daniel is a name. Teammate, team हो गई. Action क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? Cheered. Which is the action verb here?
Scared is action.
Okay, cheered.
Scared.
Cheered. Circle करें cheered को. और now tell me कि कौन सा tense use हो रहा है?
Past tense.
Very nice. Very nice. You are supposed to tell it by yourself, by the way, Zara.
Yes.
Now, Zayan, the last one. Daniel smiled proudly.
Smiled.
Smiled. And which tense?
Past tense.
Very nice.
Easy. Easy.
Okay, only one last exercise is left, and this is your homework. You have to do it from your home. And now, the most important announcement. On Monday, you have your grand test of present, past, and future tense. All right? Kindly prepare yourself for it. See all the videos which I posted in your homework section. Try to watch all the lectures, all the previous lectures regarding to the tenses. If still you are confused or you think you want to ask something, you can ask me on between my query time. All right? See you on Monday. Best of luck for your quiz. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.